Weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic offer new hope for tackling obesity. These medications have been hailed as groundbreaking solutions in the fight against a condition that affects millions worldwide. These drugs are not your typical appetite suppressants. Unlike older medications that simply reduce hunger, Wegovy and Ozempic work on a deeper level. They work by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1, which regulates hunger and satiety. This leads to significant weight loss for many individuals, often more than what is achieved through diet and exercise alone. But this promise comes with a hefty price tag and a cloud of uncertainty. The cost of these medications can be prohibitive, making them inaccessible to many who could benefit from them. While these drugs are transforming the way we approach weight loss, they also expose the complexities of our healthcare system. The high cost raises questions about who can afford these treatments and whether insurance will cover them. This raises concerns about affordability, long-term health effects, and the sustainability of such treatments. Additionally, the long-term health effects of these drugs are still being studied, and there is much we do not yet know about their impact over time. As we navigate this new era of weight loss, it is crucial to consider not just the immediate benefits, but also the broader implications for our health and our healthcare system. The demand for these drugs is skyrocketing, leading to widespread shortages. Manufacturing capacity struggles to keep up, leaving many desperate patients empty-handed. This scarcity creates a frustrating and unfair situation. Those who can afford to pay out of pocket often resort to traveling long distances or joining waiting lists. The unfortunate reality is that access often comes down to luck and resources, highlighting the inequalities within our healthcare system. The high cost of these drugs poses a significant barrier for many. Without insurance coverage, a monthly supply can cost over $1,000, making it unattainable for the average person. Even with insurance, high deductibles and co-pays can be prohibitive. This financial burden forces many to make difficult choices, sacrificing other essential needs to afford their medication. The lack of affordable options perpetuates a cycle where those who need help the most are often left behind. Into the unknown long-term effects and uncertain futures. While these drugs show promising results in the short term, long-term effects remain largely unknown. Patients and healthcare providers are often left in a state of uncertainty, wondering about the future implications of these treatments. Research on the impact of prolonged use, discontinuation, or switching between medications is limited. This gap in knowledge makes it challenging to predict outcomes and tailor treatments effectively. This lack of knowledge creates anxiety and uncertainty for patients. They often find themselves questioning the safety of their long-term treatment plans and the potential risks involved. The long-term consequences on various organs and bodily functions are still being studied. For instance, the impact on liver function, cardiovascular health, and neurological systems are areas of ongoing research. This uncertainty underscores the need for comprehensive research to ensure the safety and well-being of those using these medications. It is crucial for the medical community to invest in long-term studies and gather data that can provide clearer insights. By doing so, we can better understand the full spectrum of effects these drugs may have over time. This knowledge will empower patients and healthcare providers to make more informed decisions, ultimately leading to improved health outcomes and quality of life. The journey into the unknown may be daunting, but with dedicated research and collaboration, we can navigate these uncertainties and pave the way for a safer, healthier future. A shared dilemma: challenges for doctors and patients alike. Doctors face the difficult task of balancing the potential benefits with the unknown risks. They must navigate complex prescribing guidelines, insurance restrictions, and the ethical considerations of prescribing expensive drugs with limited long-term data. Patients, on the other hand, grapple with the decision to start or continue treatment. They weigh the benefits of weight loss against the potential side effects, cost, and uncertainties surrounding long-term use. Seeking sustainable solutions, a call for accessibility and research. The emergence of these weight loss drugs presents both a challenge and an opportunity. On one hand, they offer a promising solution for millions struggling with obesity, a condition that affects physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. On the other hand, the high cost and limited availability of these medications pose significant barriers for many patients. It highlights the urgent need for more accessible and affordable treatment options for obesity. The high price tags on these medications make them out of reach for a large portion of the population, exacerbating health disparities. Advocacy for affordable healthcare is more critical than ever, as it ensures that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, can benefit from these advancements. More research is crucial to understand the long-term impact of these drugs. While initial results are promising, comprehensive studies are needed to evaluate their safety, efficacy, and potential side effects over extended periods. This research will guide healthcare providers in making informed decisions and tailoring treatments to individual patient needs. Addressing the manufacturing and distribution challenges is essential to ensure a consistent supply. Efficient production processes and robust distribution networks are vital to meet the growing demand for these medications. Ensuring that these drugs are readily available in pharmacies and healthcare facilities across the globe is a key step in making them accessible to all. Ultimately, a multifaceted approach involving policymakers, healthcare providers, and pharmaceutical companies is necessary to make these potentially life-changing treatments accessible to all who need them. Collaboration and coordinated efforts are essential to address the financial, logistical, and regulatory challenges. By working together, we can create a healthcare system that prioritizes accessibility and equity, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to lead a healthier life.